I really wanted to know him more. Hindi na siya sumagot.
Why did you not answer my email?
I answered to your email.
Ay, may revelation. Who is the first one who usually initiates sexy time?
Parang mas ako. LDR kami, tapos parang, syempre, ipon na ipon lahat pag hindi kayo magkasama. No? Suko siya. Are you willing to do porn with me?
Oh my gosh! I love that!
Oh, yes.
And I'm willing to try anything.
Oh.
I'm very romantic. No, just
yes,
nice light, and then I say, let's fuck.
Naalala ko yung interview ni Dolly De Leon, Katukayo, no? Dolly, si Dolly
Yes,
De Leon. And you were surprised that she admitted that you were the one who sent her kids to school.
So much. Nagulat ako. Alam mo, hindi naman sinasadya na I really wanted to help her.
Hello mga kadaldal! Today on Dollywood, we have a very, very special guest na talaga mga 30 years in the making bago natuloy. Finally, with my ever dearest amiga, the one and only Uge, Eugene Domingo.
Yay!
Her Italian hubby, inamorato, Botoni.
Botoni.
Welcome to Dollywood.
Thank you, amiga. Congratulations.
Oh, next ka na.
Totoo yung after 30 years kasi kadaldal na ba ang tawag ngayon?
Oo, say hi to mga kadaldal.
Hi to all the kadaldal. I'm so at home. Doon pa lang sa bago mong name, at home na at home
ikaw na ikaw yun. It's so us.
Even if we don't see each other, we never miss sending messages, whether we're here in Italy or anywhere in the world. And it doesn't end in just, Merry Christmas. No. We're like, we are aware of what's happening around us, your life, my life.
Trivia po, before, kasi noon, pareho kami walang love life. We didn't have a love. Well, kailangan may translator because of course, out of respect to
he
understands Tagalog. Hindi natin pwede ibenta. Gusto niya sabi niya, mas bagay sa'yo, amiga, ang foreigner na boyfriend. Kasi wala akong swerte sa mga Pinoy. Yung pala, inunahan niya ako. Siya nagka-Italian na jowa and ended up married.
In fact, hindi ko naman talaga in-schedule na nung nagpunta ako sa Italy, sa Udine Film Festival, na parang, ay, lalandita. Sorry for the term, pero ganun naman talaga, di ba? I mean, aminin naman natin. May
landi naman tayo.
May landi tayo lahat.
Kaya nga, click tayo.
Oo. Diba? Aminan. Pero, wala akong energy noon. Gusto ko lang talagang umattend ng festival, pakita yung pelikula nating Barber Stills, tapos yung maging delegate na marangal. Marangal.
And then, he happened to be there.
Yes! So, you have to explain.
Yes.
Oh, from where?
So, was it love at first sight?
Yes, with
Kim. Ang haba ng hair! Not for the record,
Ano ba yun? Amiga, naaapakan mo. Gusto ng konti. Yan.
And then,
because I was Kim Dar there. And Kim Dar is a very special movie.
Oh, that's my favorite comedy of all time.
She played 5 roles, I think. And I was really, I said,
You're blown away.
Yes. First time to see an actress.
So you fell in love with her as Kimi or as Dora?
You know, I think that Chris Martinez wrote the movie, and she is a very good friend of her. So I think she knows her very well because they live together, and she has really that 2 faces.
Now he discovered
2 faces.
Most of the time she's super Dora, but sometimes
Uge by day and then by night transforms
the
into.
Kimi side. Sometimes, not so often.
Is that censored?
the Kimi censored part, no. Siguro he's saying that he now experiences the Kimi bully.
It's too late to back out.
Yeah, sorry.
We have no
Too
choice.
late. And you know, the Dora side is so cute.
Alis na kayo.
Paano naman ako? Wala akong katabi dito.
Ayun siya, katabi ka dito. Halika na, huwag ka na mahiya.
So before we talk about your MMF movie, syempre we'll have a game kasi gusto ko syempre fun, di ba?
Yes,
Not the
fun.
usual interview.
Yeah.
So couple game to. And then the first one will answer. If the other one will protest, the other one has to do a consequence.
Ayan, ha?
And if both of you naman don't answer, both of you have a consequence. Don't worry. you won't eat balot anymore.
Okay.
You raise your hand if it pertains to you, if you think that the question applies to you, the answer applies to you. Nag-English ba ako kasi Italian po si Danilo Bawal?
Pero pareho kayong marunong mag-French, ha?
We can conduct the interview in French. Lagyan natin ng subtitle.
Bakit ka nga pala marunong mag-French?
Because I studied in Paris.
Ayan,
J'ai fait mes études à Paris il y a longtemps.
Ça fait longtemps.
Just go French sila.
Anyway, my first question. Who was the first one who showed attraction? Who made the first move? Umami naman. So, what was your first move? Kinikilig si amigo.
I invited her to the pizza, me and my friend, actually, because I love her as an actress first.
So, you're a fan first?
Super fan. Always watch her movie.
You asked for her autograph, had a picture with her.
Grabe yung autograph, ha? Anong year ba yung autograph, amiga?
Napagahalaga
Grabe yung
ko.
autograph.
Okay, back to you.
I remember that I asked
Pizza.
her for a photograph when I was a child. But
Did you put anything on the pizza, like gayuma or something?
she didn't accept, of course, because she didn't know me.
I told you.
Hard to
No,
get ka,
There
ha?
was a story. She thought it was a menu, something like this. Like
Akala ko parang, nako, nagtitrip itong Italianong to. Parang, kasi syempre, pag, ano to, biglang lalapit, tas pizza, nakakainis na. Wow. So,
Sana Prada man lang o Gucci. Italia.
would you like to go shopping? Would you like to go shopping, Prada? Hindi naman. Wala lang talaga ako sa mood noon. Parang ayoko na. I surrender. Wala talaga akong kahint-hint na
May lihim na pagnanasa.
Pagnanasa
Hidden
agad.
desire. Hidden desire.
na parang ito na yon, may chance na alam mo na, ganyan. Wala. Alam mo, kasi give up na ako nun. So, ang tingin ko sa kanya, parang istorbo. Parang, wow.
So, paano nagbago yun? How did you change your mind and you gave in?
The festival ran for 3 days, and then he was always there. He was, I don't know, I
A
see him
stalker,
around.
Stalker.
Stalker. Oh, so he admits, stalker mode siya.
I did. I stopped her.
Hindi totoo. Na-brainwash ko na siya na yun ang paniwalaan niya. Pero hindi naman. You did not do that. You
I
did not
thought so.
Now it can be told.
I knew before she was going to be there. I was there already, and then I really want to interview her, to talk with her, because in my mind she was a really funny person, nice person to meet, to know. So I tried to invite her to the pizza. She refused.
She declined.
The next day,
So how many attempts before you succeeded to seduce her? Seduce talaga.
I didn't was it was not my intention.
Aren't you Italians like that? No? You're so suave, no?
No, actually, I'm a little bit crazy. I'm not really super normal. That's why we are together, because she's not very normal as well.
In-out niya ako. In-out niyang baliw ako.
That's why we all click.
During the festival, we never had the chance to eat together or no, because mabilis lang yung festival. And by the time na Barber's Tales won the Udine Film Festival Audience Choice Award, I was already ready, and I was
Ready, willing, but
Yes.
unable.
because I didn't see him anymore. Wala na, tapos
Yun na, ang pagsisisi.
Medj.
Oo.
Medj. And then, he gave me his email. But then, when I sent a message, nag-bounce back.
So parang, nako.
Oo,
So
wala
ikaw na ang nagda moves.
Ako, gusto mo nang malaman, May next question ka pa.
So paano nag-materialize? Nag-dating na kayo? You had to go back to Italy or that same trip pa rin?
Hindi. I sent him a message because I was going to stay in Italy for maybe 3 days more kasi nagtutour ako around, going to different cities like Venice, Verona, ganyan. So I sent him a message.
You asked him to be your tour guide.
Hoping that, alam mo yun, yung nasa piazza ka, ganyan, nag-wine-wine ka, biglang pag lumipad yung mga pigeons, a-appear siya. Mga ganun yung na-imagine
Parang
ko.
pelikula.
Kasi ganun di ba? Pelikula.
Oo.
Yung ganyan. Tapos ito na, ready na ako. Ilang pizza ba ang gusto mong kainin? Parang ganun. Siyempre, hindi nangyari yun. Nabulok na lang ako doon sa piazza, nalasing na lang ako. Walang lumabas na Danilo or wala. Umuwi na lang ako sa Pilipinas na
Luhaan.
Parang kulang na lang sa eroplano yung
Na-karma ka.
maganda ka eh. So, medyo may lungkot at saka may regret, may panghihinayang.
See?
And the rest is nangyari na nung nasa Pilipinas na ako. hindi mapakali si Uge. Siyempre, yung character na babae, may best friend na bakla. So, consult sa mga best friends na bakla. Ganito yung nangyari sa akin, ganyan-ganyan. Siyempre, sinisi ka na naman ng mga best friend mo. Ikaw naman kasi, pizza lang, hindi ka pa pumayag. Ito naman. So, siyempre, hindi ganun ang plano ko eh. Ganyan. O ngayon, paano natin hahanapin si Danilo Batoni? Friends daw kayo sa Facebook, wala ka namang Facebook. Siyempre, isip-isip si Uge, ano bang gagawin ko? Ayun, meron siyang website. I wrote a letter to the website.
Ayun
Kasi
na.
film critic siya and they have a website. I asked for the email of your contributing writer, Danilo. I wrote to the editor. And the editor was so willing to give it to me, so he gave it to me. And then, what happened when I asked the editor?
Oh, he asked me, can I give your email to Mr. Domingo? Of course. So
You were thrilled.
So she wrote a long...
Were you not surprised?
Sinisindak mo naman.
I was flattered.
And what did you think? Did you think that I had a crush on you?
Oh, no, of course. I thought it was a little kind of weird and crazy, but okay. If it fits on your character, something like this.
So did you have a crush on him ba? Okay, ikaw na nagtanong.
Yes. On the third day of our bumping into each other.
Bumping? Ano nag-bump?
Hindi. Hindi pa bumped into you. Yung gano'n, yung when he interviewed me, when we had the chance to talk, just for maybe 15 minutes, very short. I looked into his eyes kahit sa gilid lang. Kasi kung ganda ng mata, tsaka pag humingiti siya, talagang ang pleasant. Tapos, ayun, parang, alam mo yun, hindi mapusok. You know that he's a very good listener, and he's very gentle. Yun ang nakita ko. At yun yung, sayang naman, hindi kami nag-talk pa further, parang ganun. So, sising-sisi ako nung nasa Pilipinas ako. But then, when I was able to get his email, I sent an email to him na thank you for the nice words, for the nice...
Patwitams.
Yes! Siyempre, dadaanin mo muna sa parang appreciation, ganyan-ganyan. Para hindi naman halatang-halata. Tapos sumagot siya na, meeting you and talking to you was one of the highlights of the festival. So, nung sumagot siya, gano'n lang kaiksi yung sagot niya. Sumagot ako ng amigang haba yata. Kulang na lang, nasa dulo, will you marry me? Ang haba, ganyan. Hindi na siya sumagot.
So, nun pa lang, you wanted to marry him already?
Hindi naman.
Kumambyo.
Hindi naman marry, pero I really wanted to know him more. As in, bahala na. Kahit walang mangyari, hindi ko na inisip yun. Gusto ko lang talagang, I want to explore this. Ganon. So, hindi na siya sumagot.
Suspense. Siyempre, papogi points muna, payami.
Why did you not answer my email?
I answered to your email.
Ang cute niyo.
Because I was busy and...
Or you were in a state of shock. You didn't,
No, it's...
Ay, may revelation.
You had a girlfriend.
Ay,
Of course.
baka mag-away kayo niya.
That was not the reason. Because I didn't think that she really going to that direction with me.
The important thing is, ikaw ang nagwagi, di ba? Ikaw ang pinili.
No, pero bago nakarating doon, syempre, meron pa akong mga arte. May mga arte pa ako. Pero maayos
Na
naman.
dethrone si Miss Italy. Miss Philippines is the winner. Okay, oh my God. For our second question, naku, parang walang consequence kasi game kayong sumagot. Who is the first one who usually initiates sexy time? Raise your hand. Guilty as charged.
Hindi, because we're always together now Tsaka, we're almost 8 years na, bebe.
8 years na ba?
Yes.
Nalagpasan nyo na yung 7-year itch.
I think so. I thank God. Pero nung LDR kami, nung pumupunta-punta pa lang ako sa Italy, kasi he's still working then, parang mas ako. Kasi LDR, di ba?
So you take turns.
Oo.
So how do you initiate? Sample. Play dito.
Ako sa pag-asal.
Ay, may room pala dito sa University Hotel.
Tama na sa hotel tayo. Kasi mag-change location. We'll get the room.
Ang taas ng views nun. Gainer first.
Ay, yung doon ka ba papunta?
Nalata mo rin.
How do you initiate your husband? Yung mga girls, hindi totoo, marami rin ako na-discover kasi syempre, now that ang late bloomer ko, sobra. Lalo na pagdating sa, having a partner. And then I just, ganito pala talaga. Now I realize I'm becoming a stereotypical wife. Lahat ng mga nababasa mo, tsaka lahat ng nababasa mo about women or women maturing. Oh my God, ganito pala! Tsaka yung mga style ng mga babae. So, nung time na parang LDR kami, tapos parang, syempre, ipon na ipon lahat pag hindi kayo magkasama, Suko siya. Teka muna.
She's saying that she wears you out when she flies to Italy because she misses you that much. That's why you'll be ready to be attacked.
Oh, minsan nasa aeroplano pa lang gusto ko. Minsan nasa airport pa lang gusto ko, huwag muna tayo umuwi. Hanap na tayo ng hotel. Parang ganon.
Naku, baka next movie mo, Viva Max na, ha?
Bakit hindi? Open naman ako. Diyos ko.
Game ka. As long as Danilo's your leading man.
Are you willing to do porn with me?
Oh my gosh! I love that.
Of course, yes.
Parang pinapawisan na ako, ha? Kadaldal, ha? So anyway.
It's a new career anyway for you. Huh?
I know. And I'm willing to try anything.
Oh. Ménage à trois as well.
Ano ba yung tatlo? Ikaw na ba? Grabe na to, amiga.
May ganun pa ang pakay. Ang aga pa. Dahil lang gabi yung interview natin, no? Bakit ang aga pa? Okay, how about you, Danilo? How do you initiate? Pati siya tinanong ko.
I am very... I'm very romantic, no? Just
yes,
the
Italian
nice light, and then I say, let's fuck.
Dito kayo nag-set up sa library. Dapat yung may cam.
Okay, naku, wala pa rin consequence.
Pinipili talaga namin iwasan
yung balon. Okay, the next one is, who's more dominant?
Oh, of course.
I told you.
In every marriage, I think.
In every marriage.
In every marriage.
So you don't mind if she's dominant?
No, of course not. I know from the very beginning. My husband doesn't count anything in the marriage.
So under siya, amiga?
Hindi siya under. Spoiled siya.
Ikaw on top. Ibang pinag-usapan natin.
He's a baby boy. He's my baby boy.
Yeah, she's my baby girl.
Ay, grabe.
Naging wholesome.
Grabe. Parang lalanggam na tayo dito. Okay, the next question is, who's the fastest one to forgive?
Still.
Even if you're the one, you're the one who says sorry first?
Yes. I watched something, I think, in the news. There's an Indian guy say, if one in a discussion is right, and they say, wants to be, and they say, I'm right, it's the right person. If it's wrong, and say, it's okay, you're right. No.
Ano kaya ba?
I don't know.
Kaya ba this year?
Forget.
Kaya ba this year?
Anyway, of course, even if I know I'm right, I say, okay, you're right.
Totoo yun. Grabe talaga. Doon ko nga naisip na ang asawa, ang lalaki, ang husbands or ang boyfriends, natulad sa inyo, dapat talaga pagbibigyan nyo yung babae. Pagbigyan nyo talaga yung wife nyo.
Makinig kayo dyan.
Well, moods lang naman ito sa babae. Ewan ko, iba kasi yung pinagdadaanan natin. Yung mga
special time of the month.
True.
Yes.
Or yung mga papunta ka na talaga dun sa
menopausal.
nagluloko na yung factory, di ba?
Nagluloko yung factory.
Oo. Yung may pinagdadaanan talaga ang babae and the husbands or the boyfriends should understand that. Wala naman yun. Moods lang yun. But deep inside our hearts, you're really our king. Kaya talaga yung king and baby at the same time. Can you imagine? So, kaming mga babae, talagang kailangan lang namin na marinig yung I'm sorry or it's my fault.
Yeah.
Kahit naman, deep inside me, I know it's my fault most of the time. But when he says, okay, I'm sorry, and then he will hug me and kiss me.
Ay, ayun na.
Tapos, syempre, naiiyak ka na, ganyan. Pero, sabi ko,
Parang di ka ma-imagine umiiyak.
naku, Diyos ko. Drama queen. Syempre, artista, di ba? Hindi talaga ako papayag na walang confrontation.
So, comedy queen on cam, drama queen behind the scenes.
Ay, drama queen.
Sometimes, yes.
Is she better as a comedian or as a dramatic wife?
I prefer her as a comedian, but yeah, she has this drama. If you push too much in our argument or something, she starts to cry. So I can help. So,
What do you usually fight about? Petty things?
yes, something really not important.
Pero sa akin, napaka-important.
Yeah, sometimes she's really mad for something that I don't understand.
Do you get jealous of her male friends or male partners in movies?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, because you're a director, so you know how it goes.
No. Kasi puro bakla naman.
Yun lang.
Mas ako nga yung nagsiselos.
Really?
Hindi, joke lang.
Oh,
And also, she was always surrounded by handsome men. And then she found me in Italy. And she got me here. So, I think it's really...
Talagang kinalagkan mo daw dito.
Oo, kinalagkan ko talaga. Well, ang pinag-aawayan naman namin or yung sometimes discussion, I don't know, it's just funny, petty things, no, Belle? Like, I told you, stereotypical wife na nga ako ngayon. Yung small things in the house that you cannot really understand why men are like that.
Makalat.
Sabi ko, oh my God, ganun pala talaga. I mean, akala ko dati parang, corny naman ang mga ganitong husband and wife, ganyan, mga issues. Totoo pala, men are really different from women. And especially if you live with them, if you're a couple, you will find things na different ways of women and men. And what's funny about that is, Danilo always finds something funny out of our petty quarrels.
That's why you end up laughing.
Yes.
Hindi sa magalit ka.
Yes, because he discovers my, yung extremes ko. And then,
Kaya i-balance.
yes, he's very balanced person. He's a very balanced person. He's not makalat, he's actually very conscious of his things, not getting in the way of my things. Because I'm a minimalist eh. I always throw, I always give away stuff. And Danilo likes to keep...
Hoard. Oh, sentimental.
I don't know about other men, but he really likes his toys, his stuff.
Oh, what toys? Sex toys?
Ano na naman tayo?
Inumpisa mo kasi. Sex toys?
You know, yes.
Oh.
Chains.
Chains. Oh my God.
Nakakahiya naman, di ba? So, kailangan itabi natin yung mga...
Leather stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
Latex. Yeah.
Your toys.
So, wala naman kaming mga very big quarrels. I think because we're both so mature. I think because I'm very sure of him. So, yung mga moods, wala lang yun. Parang everyday, it's like...
You're right at time.
Yeah. Parang naman exciting. May spice naman. Ang
Parang roller coaster.
roller coaster. Most of the time, we just think of when we will travel or how to deal with some domestic problems. Ganon, which is normal lang naman. And his experience and his wisdom is really helpful to me. And he's very religious, very spiritual. Ang laki-laki ng contribution nun para yung perception ko sa buhay ko magbago. Sobra.
So talagang pinagbago ka niya.
Totoo.
You're a changed woman. A changed woman in chains. In chains. Binalikan
Ando
mo
ka na naman. I'm a changed woman
in chains. Okay, next question is, who snores the loudest?
Ako yata.
Hindi sure.
Ako yata. Danilo snores very like a baby boy. But you know, babe, you snore more in Italy than here.
So you sleep more soundly when you're in your hometown.
Of course, I'm not aware.
Oo, totoo. Kasi syempre, Italian siya eh. Ako, do I snore loud in Italy?
Same.
The same?
Yes.
Okay, next. Who's the one who orders the other one more? Yung pala utos. Orders the other one. Ikaw pala.
Ako yata. Si Danilo pala utos, pero ang ganda niya mag-utos.
Malambing pa rin.
Malambing, tsaka request, at tsaka suggestion.
Alam ba yung malapit na maubos yung question, wala pa rin consequence. O for fun lang, uge. Kung ang consequences, do one of your famous lines as Kimi or Dora.
Ano nga ba yun? Kalimutan ko na yung mga dialogue. Kasi 20 years na yun eh. I'm just a girl floating in front of a... May camera! I'm just a girl floating in front of a boy, asking him to love her.
Oh, wow.
Ganun talaga yun.
Get a room, get a room. And for Danilo, just for fun, a consequence, can you say something in Tagalog?
I guess I know sarap.
Are you referring to uge? Sarap?
Mahal-mahal kita.
What's sarap? What is sarap?
Sarap is this.
Is that uge? Sarap? Uge?
Delicious. Yes, she's sarap.
Ay, yun na. Confirmed. Mamaya, bibigyan ko kayong complimentary room din sa University Hotel.
Oo ba? Sige, overnight lang to?
Oh, overnight sensation. One night stand.
May papapalabas ka ba dito sa episode na to?
Good luck.
Amiga, bagay na bagay sa'yo.
Ikaw na mag-Italian. Pakit lang.
Ako naman.
Kakla in
Sige.
Italian.
She's very good. She studied.
Davvero sì. Allora, adesso studiando
Kanta ba yan, amiga?
quindi pensi che posso parlare in italiano?
Sì, sei molto brava.
Grazie amore.
Ano sabi mo, translate? French ako, hindi ako Italian.
Tanong ko sa kanya, so you think I can speak Italian already very well?
So I say yes. Very good.
Ay, nag-aaral talaga
pasado na.
ako. At yun
Oo.
naman din talaga yun. Kapag kinumit mo na yung sarili mo and you don't only love the person but also, lalo na sa mga may ano dyan,
Yeah,
yung mga
interracial.
yung mga kaklase ko dyan na may mga
Afam.
jowa o partner na afam. Embrace mo din yung kultura niya, yung bansa niya, yung pamilya niya lalo. Because sa story namin ni Danilo, Danilo's family is from Parma and Orvieto. Eh, hindi naman sila yung parang English speaking, di ba?
Ano, mag-sign language kayo, di
At saka
ba?
alang-alamang sila yung mag-adjust.
Oo. Parang sila
Kaya
naman
ang dami
matuto ng
nila.
Italian, no?
Kaya nga, ako na lang mag-a-adjust, di ba? Siyempre, because I want to communicate more. Tsaka ang hirap maging, yung parang hindi mo alam kung anong words yung lalabas. Tsaka parang ang tahimik mo lang. Eh, hindi naman ako tahimik.
Oo.
So, ikaw na
Magkakasakit ka pag
Oo,
tumahimik ka.
totoo. So, I really need to study the language so I can talk. And the moment that I decided na, sige, I will commit to this. Because I already studied Spanish. Eh, hindi naman natin alam na Italian pala yung makakatuluyan ko. So, study
Sana pala
another.
Spaniard ang hinanap mo, no?
Hindi ko naman hinanap, diba? So, study another. And then, sabi nung foreign language department sa utak ko, kaya pa ba? Diba? Eh, sige, anong magagawa natin? Italian yan. And then, the moment that I committed myself and studied seriously Italian this time, and I started talking to the family in Italian, oh my God, parang ang daming...
Feeling mo belong ka na talaga.
True. Ang daming na-unblock yung ganon. And they were so happy. And they were more sweet because hindi na rin sila na-insecure. It's more than me. They were so insecure that I will not understand them. And they wanted to talk to me so much. So, my only regret is that Mommy, his mother, passed away before I learned. But the mother said, when are you going to learn? Because I'm so old, I cannot learn English. And then, so, pandemic happened and all that. We were not able to meet her. And that's my only regret, that I was not able to learn Italian faster before. Because she would have been so proud of me, no, Ben?
My mother loves her very much. I don't know why.
Grabe ka naman, I don't know why.
No, I don't know why because
I don't know why.
she was not able to talk with her most of the time. But she felt. She felt that there was really something important between us.
It's very lovable.
Yeah, what happened between me and his mother, we just touched, kissed, and embraced and hugged. Imagine, you don't know how to talk to each other because
Mata
she doesn't
lang,
speak
oo.
English, I don't speak Italian that much.
Language barrier.
Yeah, but when she hugged
Love
me,
is a universal
always,
language.
yes,
Oo.
and touch and everything. She would whisper something, but of course I would understand some keywords like grazie. It's always thank you for loving my son. And mothers know that.
Of course. Instinct yan. Maternal
yan.
instinct.
So it's just more than my promise to you that I will love you for the rest of our lives. The most important thing is my promise to your mother. That
So if you not kick me out of your life when you did,
Were you a mama's boy? Were you the favorite son?
maybe.
My favorite line in Italian is La dolce far niente. That's my favorite.
Dolce far niente.
That's my favorite.
Oh, galing.
The sweetness of doing nothing.
Yes.
In other words, tamad-tamaran. Pero pag Italian, ang ganda. Everything sounds better in Italian.
yeah, everything sounds talagang sweet life. Pero pag dito parang tamad.
Oo.
Walang silbi.
Next question. May consequence ulit para masaya. Who's the more stingy one? Kuripot? Wala. Oh, you're both,
Yun,
oh, so pareho kayo you enjoy the good life, of
and
course.
in fact, isa yun sa mga argument namin. Best, stop paying for everything. Stop paying. Oh, no, it's me. No,
Next, may
it's
ratio
me.
ng pera ko, sabihin mo. Kailangan maubos niya yun.
Hindi siya. Pay siya ng pay.
Oh.
Super pay siya kasi mas malaki yung ano.
Euro.
O
ano
euro
nga.
So, at saka ang ganda ng pension nila Tayo, amigo, wala tayong pension.
Naalala ko yung interview ni Dolly De Leon, katukayo, no? Dolly, si Dolly
Yes,
De Leon. And
Dolly.
you were surprised that she admitted that you were the one who sent her kids to school
so
when
much.
when she was
Oo.
still starting out. So sabi mo, dapat di na sinabi yun.
Nagulat ako kasi, alam mo, hindi naman sinasadya na I really wanted to help her. It's just that somebody told us na, we have to help our sister in the theater, Dolly De Leon, because she's a single mom and she doesn't have work right now and she has to have all the things, the basic things. I said, it's not difficult to help our sister in the theater. So I did, but everybody helped her naman. But I chose to help her in a more longer term.
Long term. So nagulat ka nung nireveal niya yun sa interview niya
Oo.
with Tito Boy, no? Right?
Nagulat ako
Oo.
na, ay,
Siyempre, hindi niyo nakalimutan yun.
Oo. And the more na naisip ko talaga na ang galing-galing talaga ng Diyos. I mean, of course, Diyos siya. Talagang totoo yung sinasabi na the world is round.
Cliché man, totoo talaga.
Cliché man. Yung iisipin mo, wala na to, talagang bottom-bottom na ako. Hindi po totoo.
Tingnan mo, look where Dali De Leon is right now.
Exactly.
Hollywood.
Yes, todo talaga. Because she never stopped. Kahit na talagang siya na rin nagsabi, talagang wala ng pag-asa, lupasay na siya. She asked help, she continued to work everything she accepted, and she really had that gift. And afterwards, nung sikat na siya, she never forgot.
Yun ang nakakatuwa.
Yeah, the people
who helped her along the way.
Helped her along the way, who guided her. Lalo ka pang, di ba? Lalo ka pang sasalubungin ng good things for you. And that's a really nice gesture. And I'm really happy for
you should do a movie together, no?
We're just waiting.
That's in the works already.
Kasi ang dami niyang commitment sa States now Kasi ba, international management din siya.
If ever gagawa kayo ng movie ni Dali De Leon, would you direct it?
He's not a director naman. He's a writer, actually.
But he has the eye for talent.
I suggest them to have a play together. Like, for example, whatever happened to Baby Jane.
Yeah, that one.
They can switch the character, for example.
Whatever happened to me, we're just waiting for the right time, the right producer, but we started talking about it. So, looking forward to that.
So now that we're talking about movies, let's talk about your
Yes!
Yung consequence, parang wala, nasagot yung lahat So, Espantajo.
Espantajo,
Scarecrow,
amiga.
Scarecrow.
Scarecrow, yes. Judy Ann Santos po yan.
Yeah, I was there at the press con and you mentioned that when you had scenes with LT, M. Juday, nasa Starstruck ka.
Totoo.
Eugene
Ang
Domingo ka,
galing.
nasa Starstruck ka pa?
Hindi Alam mo yun, kasi kaming mga artista, kahit alam naman namin na mga sanay ng umarte, ganyan-ganyan, pero pag nakikita mo kung gaano ka sincere, disiplinado, at saka nakikita mo yung nagtatrabaho sa harap mo na pwede namang relax na
Putsi-putsi na lang.
Pero hindi, lahat kami on our toes, supportive of each other. And when you see Lorna Tolentino and Judy Ann and Chanda Romero na ang gagaling na, tapos napaka-humble, magkamali lang ng konti, magsusorry. Ay nako, talagang ang ganda ng ganitong mga artista. Yung
That's why you accepted the movie kahit cameo role ka, no?
of course,
Special
walang
role.
problema. Yung bang always willing to learn, always trying to be the best of yourself, yung hindi ka kontento na, okay na ako. Judy Ann, Chanda Romero, and Lorna Tolentino are like that. Parang up to this day, they will not stop learning. Ang sarap ng ganun.
I'm sure the feeling is mutual. Pag sila naman ma-interview ko, I'm sure puring-puri din sila tayo. Mutual Admiration Club.
Yes,
Oo.
kasi excited kami. Ang ganda ng material. And it's just not a horror film na mananakot, manggugulat. Deep inside the horror film is a drama film.
At saka it's about woman empowerment.
And yung standing up for what you believe that your family has to have. Diba? Hindi naman yung ano lang.
Mas
nananakot.
mahirap ba manakot kesa yung magpatawa, you would say? Is it
Oo.
harder to do horror than
For
comedy?
me, kasi yung horror parang wala naman, alam naman nating shooting lang to, di ba? Tsaka parang na-rehearse naman natin. Tsaka nakita ko, may make-upan yung multo kanina. Alam ko namang hindi siya multo. Tapos pag action, tatakot-takutan ako. Di ba hindi? So, bilib na bilib talaga ako dun sa mga, ang galing na mag-register ng horror sa face nila. At saka ang hirap ng horror, amiga.
Madetalye talaga, no?
Sobra.
The music, the cinematography.
Tsaka lahat ng mga death scene or yung mga chasing scene, naku, ang hirap niyan. Yung mga tipong habulin ka, tsaka yung continuity ng mga dugo. Di ba? Tapos
Madugo
paulit-ulit. Ilang beses ka ba pwedeng matakot?
Oo.
Pero only the master, Chito Ronyo,
Yes,
will be
yes.
able to do this for us. Yung siya lang talaga na matatakot ka na hindi ka makakornihan, yung gano'n. Natatakot ka at nagugulat at the same time, naiiyak. Ay, kumpleto.
All in one.
Yes, and Danilo really likes horror films.
Do you watch her shootings?
Sometimes, sometimes.
Do you get distracted, pag nasa set siya? Or
Hindi.
mas gusto mo nasa
Yes.
set siya? Are you a stage husband?
Well, I don't know what you mean.
A stage husband is someone who's trying to be like an assistant,
Not
Was
a manager.
everywhere, yeah.
Dati, masipag pa siyang sumama sa akin because na-amaze siya sa mga setup natin, how we do our shooting, na professional tayo, pero the way we do our shooting, parang kaya natin agad. Wala na yung masyadong plano na, hindi na, di ba? Tayo, o dyan, tayo na, okay, game, gano'n. Nagugulat siya, husay natin sa gano'n.
Because in Italy, it's not that way.
I
They're more...
never did
no,
set in Italy, but
Hopefully, makapag-shoot din ako sa Italy.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh,
Yun talaga
yung love story nyo.
Na naman, tutok na lang
and you
tayo.
will portray yourself.
Tutok
and
na lang tayo
Dan
doon.
Dillon, his first starring role. Why
Hindi ko
not?
alam, but we are working on something and we are going to hopefully shoot in Italy. I'm working with a group, so
Wow.
hopefully, dun din mapunta.
Viva
Makapag-shoot
Italia.
din sa- diba?
How about naman your other movie, yung And the Breadwinner Is?
And the breadwin, isa pa yun.
With Vice.
Oo, with Vice ganda. Alam mo, ang galing nga nitong mga kasamang big stars natin, di ba?
Big star ka rin naman.
Hindi ko alam.
Sobrang
parang
humble. He's
Hindi nga.
too humble.
Hindi. You know, I don't really consider myself a star. To be honest, gusto ko talaga yung title na Star for All Seasonings. Wala talaga.
Naku, kukunin ka daw endorsement yan.
Yes,
Seasoning.
pakitag nga po yung Nor at saka yung Maggie. Kung sino Aji mo. Aji
Sponsor
naman
na rin tong Dollywood.
Oo, pakitag. Hindi kasi I consider myself Star for All Seasonings kasi parang
Cute.
gusto ko yung kahit saan mo ako ilagay, pampalasa. Di ba?
Pwede.
Oo.
Pasok.
Mas gusto ko yun.
Oo.
Naisip ko yun habang kumakain ako. Sabi ko, there's this particular herb na parang pag nilagay mo, sumasarap.
Oo.
Kahit simpleng pagkain. Gusto ko,
So, ikaw
ganun
yun.
ako.
Oo.
Gusto ko ganun ako as an actress.
Ganun ka naman talaga, kahit saan talagang nagsashine ka.
Nagiging
Tell us
mas
about
malasa.
your movie with Vice. Hindi ba kayo nagsapawan dito? How do you...
Never.
Paano yung ginagawa? Kasi pareho kayong strong
Hindi,
personality
ito nga,
on screen.
Ganito nga, you know Vice as talagang walang makakalampas kay Vice, di ba? When Vice starts to talk, he will really, one by one.
Monopolize,
Yes.
oo.
But while we're shooting this movie, he was very quiet.
Ha?
Yes.
Natameme sa'yo?
Hindi.
No?
He was very quiet. He's into the role.
Ba't anong role ba niya dito? Pipe?
Hindi ba breadwinner? Although nag-doubt na ako, pipi na ba si Vice na? Kasi ang quiet niya.
It's so
Oo.
out of character, no?
Yes. I thought talaga, oh my God, talagang ipinasok niya yung character niya sa
Internalize,
sarili
oh.
niya. First of all, because nagdrama siya dito.
Naitawid naman.
Sobra. As in,
Naiyak ka?
tumahimik kaming lahat. Kasi parang okay lang ba siya?
O
It was-
nasapian?
Ganon.
Parang hindi si Vice na
In
kilala
fact,
natin.
after nung eksena, umuwi na kaming lahat, umiiyak pa rin siya.
Ah?
Yes. Para siya nagkaroon ng another, parang maraming nahugot sa kanya as a person. Tao siya.
Oo.
Tao siya.
Oo.
Hindi siya basta si Vice na papunta na sa talagang very, very big
Oo.
force. Bigla siyang naging vulnerable, na insecure.
Na-humanize talaga yung The
Na-humanize.
Vice ganda, the
Yes.
superstar.
Oo.
Nakita niyo yun. And makikita natin sa And the
Makikita
Breadwinner
natin
Is.
sa And the
So this is not
Breadwinner.
really straight comedy, may drama din pala.
Ito yung tinatawag nating dramedy. May drama at may comedy. At hindi natin to nakita kay Vice ganun. First time. At maganda yung pinakita niya kasi alam mong sineryoso niya ang lahat. I mean, hindi niya parang, kaya na yan. Parang, hindi eh. So, nanibago ako doon.
So paano niyo win-work out yung chemistry niyo? Yung, kasi pareho kayong magaling sa comedy. Buti hindi nag-clash. Paano?
Never, because it's not our first time. We were together in some films of Direk Wen and some TV
But this is
shows
the
of
first na
Direk Wen.
talagang major.
Yes.
Oo.
Iba kasi yung style niya. Iba yung mga banat ni Vice. Iba rin naman yung sa akin. Tapos, we just laugh at each other because iba rin yung history ng friendship namin. And in general, wala naman akong nakaka-encounter na parang sinasapawan pa ang isa't isa. Parang hindi na uso.
Oh, bigayan na talaga.
Oo, bigayan na talaga. After siguro nung na-experience natin na muntik nang mawala ang pelikula,
Nung
ang
pandemic.
gulo, na iba yung sistema ng TV, ng how people find TV now and how people buy entertainment now. It's totally different. So parang yung sapawan is really not uso anymore. Parang nandun na sa collab.
Collab na talaga.
Yes.
That's the name of the game. So aside from your movies, amiga, anong first movie ang gusto mong panoorin sa MMFF? One, yung what comes to your mind?
Oh, I think, kasi dahil nauna sa schedule ng mga pa-premiere,
Oo.
I want to watch Himala, the musical, because puro theater people yung mga nandun, and I want to support the
Yan
theater
ang homo
people.
talaga eh.
Yes, and imagine it's a musical and then biglang napunta sa big screen. It's very interesting to see how they did it. And Himala is by Ricky Lee, is one of the national artists portrayed by Nora Honor, another international artist, talagang nag-e-evolve si Himala. Fan ako ni Nora Honor, fan ako ni Ricky Lee. I have the book
Ikaw,
of
do you
Himala.
aspire someday, amiga, to be a national artist?
Hindi.
Hindi. In Italy pala.
Danilo is dreaming that one day there will be a festival in Italy that all my films will be shown.
Why not organize one?
At hindi ko na iniisip na patay na ako.
It's not
Grabe
easy.
naman.
It's not easy, but I will try.
Yeah, use your powers.
But let me, you wait because I'll still do mga 200 films. Wow. But a national artist, naku, mahirap yan. For me, a national artist is not only yung may talent ka, but
Your
also
body of work.
yung body of work mo.
Your body.
Yes, my body of work. And also, yung willingness mo to pass on your,
The torch.
to educate other people by sharing what you know. Yun para sa akin ang national artist. Ako hindi naman. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, pampalasa lang.
I don't know, seasoning.
Seasoning lang
The
ako.
star for all seasonings.
Yeah, diba?
Oh.
Naku, dahil nasabi ko sa'yo, baka maging ano na to.
Oo,
totoo.
why not? Diba? So, invite them, amiga, before, may final ano pa tayo, yung sagot or abot. Yan yung portion dito before we close the interview.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na please supportahan po ninyo ang Metro Manila Film Festival. Buhay na buhay po. ngayong
50th
Pasko.
year.
Congratulations! 50 years na po ang Metro Manila Film Festival. At ngayong taon na to, nandyan po ang mga big stars, nandyan lahat, at lahat ng klaseng kwento. Pinag-igihan po ang paggawa, ang craft. At syempre, ilagay niyo po sa listahan ninyo, Espantajo and the breadwinner is. At kung ano pa yung type niyong panoorin, damihan po ninyo. Kasi once a year lang talagang bonggang-bongga ang mga Filipino films. Ito na po yun. Magkita po tayo sa sinihan.
Okay, so ito na, sagot o abot. My question is, kasi some quarters are saying, I read this, I sent you even the write-up, no, one of the write-ups, na you're the one who deserves to be called the comedy queen now, instead of Ai. So, what do you think about that?
Connection ito ng sagot ko kanina, di ba? May connection doon.
Yun. So, sa kanya na yun.
But first of all, the
So,
name,
sasagot ka, walang abot. Kala ko, Euro pa naman yung aabot mo.
mahilig ako sumagot eh. Pero pwede naman kitang bigyan ng
Hindi.
gift. Ay, hindi,
Wala.
sige. But I would like to
Yung
give
gift.
something to our audience, syempre. Kasi sinusuportahan niya yung amiga ko. Siya talaga yung isa sa mga nire-respeto kong writers.
Pero gusto ko rin yung hindi ako nirespeto, binababoy.
Bahala na po kayo. Kung sino man dyan ang gustong huwag respetuhin siya, kayo na pong bahala doon. Mag-iwala po kayo ng
Dumal.
comments sa baba. Kasi po, you're one of the, I don't make them like this
Oh,
anymore.
sus,
Ang
coming from
galing.
you, parang ako ay maano dito.
Oh, galing
Oh.
talaga magsulat. Sometimes when you interview me and I say something like this, pero the way that you lay out my ideas and how I say things, parang ang galing.
Siyempre, UP tayo. We're here in our campus.
So, natutuwa ako to be a part of your first episodes.
My
Congratulations!
pleasure. Thank you.
It's your first
Mille
time, I didn't
grazie.
Yo! Oh!
Merci.
Oh, diba?
Toutes les plaisirs moi.
Nararamdaman ko successful
Oh.
ito, amiga. Everybody.
Ikaw ang buena mano ko. Kayo ni Ate V.
Diba? Star for all seasons and star for all seasonings. Ang
Na,
bait-bait din ni Ate V. Nararamdaman ko talaga mag-grow ang
Oh.
subscribers mo.
thank you. And babalik kayo pag
Yes!
bongga na.
Anniversary!
Yeah,
Oo,
December
anniversary.
next year.
Yes!
And nabanggit mo na, syempre, ang alma mater natin to UP, University Hotel. Thank you so much for hosting us. Oh, hindi discount. Talagang, all the way. Talagang,
Wow!
ganun tayo ka-love na ating alma mater. Thank you to Sir Patrick Gregorio and all of the staff here sa ating University Hotel. Kasi pareho kaming UP, our alma
Thank
mater.
you po, thank
Kaya
you po.
naka-maroon.
At saka at home. Nakaka-at
Yes.
home.
Oh, di ba? Para tayong very scholarly, very
Oo,
cozy.
tapos yung mga tanong mo sa akin naman. puro-
Yes. You'll feel at home here, Danilo, because,
Yeah,
the
very
books
like the library.
here in the glass house of the University Hotel.
Aha.
Thank you, mille grazie.
Prego.
Oh.
Grazie, grazie.
Thank you.
Thank you, amiga.
Muchas
Congratulations.
gracias. Oh.